Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt that pull, the desire to see more, to finally witness the rings of Saturn with your own eyes? I get it. But with hundreds of models out there, choosing the right one feels like finding a needle in a haystack, so I went on a mission. I tested over 30 telescopes, from the cheap department store ones to professional-grade rigs, and what I found was shocking. Most were a waste of money, but 4 of them dramatic. Pause. These 4 aren't just good, they're broken, unfairly powerful for their price, and one of them, the number 1 pick, will show you details of the moon that you have to see to believe. Let's begin. Starting at number 1. The best beginner telescope. The Celestron Nexstar 5 SE computerized telescope, our top pick for the best amateur telescope, is a Schmidt-Cassegrain scope, which means it uses both lenses and mirrors in a relatively compact package. This telescope has a primary 5-inch mirror, big enough for a light-gathering capacity that yields crisp images of some of the best objects in the solar system, from Saturn's rings to Jupiter's cloud bands. And it provides sufficient power to introduce you to objects in the deep sky. The Nexstar 5 SE operates on a fully computerized system and gives you a handheld controller to guide it. Instead of fumbling to read star charts and align the telescope manually, with the press of a button you can align and focus your telescope on a myriad of celestial objects. Unlike with some of the Nexstar 5 SE's competitors, this model's controller worked flawlessly in our tests, offering micro adjustments and responsive tracking with the attached controller system. Weighing 15 pounds, this scope is very portable relative to other options out there, so you should have no problem packing it into a trunk and setting it up on location. Number 2. Best for sharp views farther into space. The traditional Dobsonian telescope, a type of instrument sometimes referred to as a light bucket, is all about light gathering, and the images we saw through the lens of the Skywatcher Classic Dobsonian telescope were awe-inspiring. The 8-inch mirror, which captures the light, is significantly larger than that of our top pick. That means you get crisper, clearer images and can see fainter objects that are farther away. The trade-off is that this scope is huge. Loading it into a car or even moving it around a yard is a chore, so it's best suited for folks who have a dedicated space for it at home. Number 3. Best for learning about and viewing near-Earth objects. The Celestron StarSense Explorer LT80AZ refractor telescope comes with a dead simple smartphone app that highlights the evening's most interesting viewing opportunities and shows you how to find them in the sky. This scope is lightweight and portable, with an easy-to-position alt-azimuth mount. However, it's a refractor-style telescope with a smaller, 3.15-inch aperture, so it's best suited to viewing celestial objects located closer to Earth. Number 4. Best for astrophotography. The ZWO Astro C-Star S50 all-in-one smart telescope is a compact, all-in-one telescope and photo rig with an integrated automatic mount, like our top pick. Priced around $500, it's perhaps the cheapest and simplest option if you want to get photos from a telescope. It's easy to carry with you, since it weighs just over 7.5 pounds packed in its travel case with its included tripod, and it sets up in minutes. It doesn't provide a great view of mid-range celestial objects such as the solar system's planets and their moons, since its relatively short focal length makes them appear blurry, but it excels at imaging deep sky objects, thanks to its automatic photo stacking feature. And there you have them, the only 4 telescopes you need to even consider in 2025, from the ultimate beginner's choice to the one that will last you a lifetime. Each one is a gateway to the universe, ready to start your journey. I've made it easy. All the direct links to purchase these exact models plus the specific eyepieces I recommend are waiting for you in the description below. If this guide saved you from wasting your money and time on the wrong scope, pay it forward, hit that like button, share this video with a future astronomer, and subscribe and turn on notifications. Because next time we're not just looking at the planets, we're photographing them. You won't want to miss it. Clear skies.